Hey there folks, back at you with another video. Something showed up in the mail. Oh yeah. Gonna do a quick unboxing on this ratchet. This is the new one from Milwaukee, 2569-20. So yeah, please like and subscribe, helps the channel out a lot, don't cost nothing. Let's get past the intro, let's get into this. Alright, look at this guys, brand new, just showed up. 2569-20, 3/8 drive, extended reach, high speed ratchet. Let's look at a couple things here. Fast control ratchet, up to 35 foot-pounds of max torque. And then they show some more of their 12 volt stuff. Specifications: anvil type 3/8, max torque 35, RPMs 0 to 450 RPM, and then it weighs tool only 2.01 pounds. Total length is 14.3 inches. Head width is 1 inch, 1.16 inches. All right, enough babbling. I can't hold myself. Let's get into this thing. Hey. All right. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. Holy potatoes. Yeah, she's nice. All right, let's grab a battery here real quick. See if we can make this one sing, huh? It's got the same lock on it. Woo-hoo-hoo. If you want to talk about turbo, look at that. That's fast. All right, this one was on the job, so that's why it's a little nasty. I just took it off my cart. So here you go. This is my modified 1/4 inch drive with 3/8 anvil. I've been running this thing over 2 years. Served me very well. It's got some battle scars, but let's see what we got here, huh? Oh yeah. See that? That's fast. Woohoo! Well, let's see if we can. The head is definitely a lot slimmer right here. And look at that. I mean, they shorten it. They truly shorten up the shoulders a lot. They made the housing a little longer here, the plastic housing. That is a little longer, but she's a lot slimmer. Geez, that's a big difference, guys. So yeah, we're going to put this puppy to work. Going to put it to test, and yeah. Give me a couple months and I'll give you a final review on it. So this was just an unboxing. So, and I'll let you know how I like it compared to my modified one. Like I said, the modified one is really, really close to the same. If you look at the head, see that? Head is basically same diameter. This here is the big difference. So that's a big, big difference. Yep. I like it. I like it a lot. So, look at that. Well, yeah. Sorry, keep hitting my stand here, but All right, like I said, we're going to put this bad boy to work. And here in a couple months, I'll let you know how I feel about it. So, well, yeah. Okay. Please like and subscribe. Helps the channel out a lot. Don't cost nothing. And we're going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.